Hello everyone, this is the last video of the 4 series regarding eBay settings, and specifically we're going to talk about import from eBay settings. I can open them, and as you can see we have settings regarding the type of status you want to import, so type of listings you want to import, and you can import all published and sold or unsold items. Then you can import buy now or all or auction listings, and you can pick from what eBay site you will be importing your listings into Nembol. Many sellers complete their import procedure from eBay into Nembol and do not find all the listings they would expect. So suggestion is to come into this import from eBay area of settings and change the import from eBay site, or change the listing type, or change the listing status, and save changes and try importing again. Last setting is import from eBay, also the description in their HTML format. This is very useful, keep it on, if you have a typical RTF, rich text format type of pagination, which is bold, breaks, spacing, italics, and so on. If you are using eBay templates, importing HTML is a little bit trickier, so you should test with a few products and see what type of HTML eBay will provide our servers when our servers call them, compared to what you expect. Historical eBay sellers having very complicated HTML templates, maybe very old, maybe not responsive anymore, maybe not updated with the CSS or the latest HTML, and these type of templates will not be very well accepted by other channels. So again, run a couple of tests, set the import HTML format on, import a few products, then turn it off, import another few products, see the difference, play with it. You have to take some little time at the very beginning to set up Nembol correctly if you want to take the most of it. Once you're done, don't forget to save changes. Like the video, flag on that you want to receive notifications from YouTube so that you know when we publish new videos. And last but not least, if you need anything, type a note down here, leave us a comment, or write to our customer support in-app on app.nembol.com. Enjoy, have a great day. Ciao, ciao.